Listen.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Look at this delish. Finally, I got the recipe for y'all.
Look at that.
Delicious. In a bowl, you need 6 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs room temperature, 1 tablespoon of rose water if you don't have it, vanilla extract, 3 to 4 small tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon with some milk, yeast, and half a tablespoon of salt. And I need 1 cup and a half of warm milk. Mix that dough until nice and not sticky. Then add 1 tablespoon and half of unsalted butter. Mix that again 3 to 4 minutes in your machine. Then form small little dough rolls when the dough is no longer sticking to your hands. Then basically right away start forming your small little dough rolls. Just do what I'm doing here. Basically, you need some white sesame seeds as well as some chocolate of your choice. I did use Hershey's. This is what my boys love. This is a perfect treat for weekends. Make it with your children. Get them involved. God bless you. Look how perfect that looks. And make sure your oil is very well heated. And another tip, do not let them over rise. I only let them rise for 5 minutes and then I fried them on very hot oil. And that's it. Enjoy. God bless you all. I love you all. And please, if you do like my videos, go ahead and don't hesitate to hit that button, follow and subscribe.